We doing something we did, huh? All you gotta do is combine this part with this part. Come on in here so we can do some hair. Come on. It's gonna be quick too. You can't tell, huh? Come on. Come on in here and sit down. Hey y'all, hey, what's going on? I know you see what's going on the top of my face. I know y'all see that. Here's the thing. I'm trying to do something. Y'all remember when I had learned to do braids and I had did the box braids and stuff and I did the real jumbo ones? Y'all, that style was so cute to me. And I started thinking, ooh, I know when y'all come over here, y'all looking for hacks, y'all looking for quick styles, all the things, right? So I said, let me see if I can really get good and ignorant and jumbo with these miracle knots, but still make it look sweet. Sometimes it can look too spacey. It's all about the number of pieces that you put in. You can make it as dense or as low density as you want to. So I'm over here like, now I didn't braid these all the way to the end. Well, I mean, I kind of did, but it's loose at the end. In my head right now, I have 11 large plaits. Braiders, let me know for next time. This one right here, should this have been 2? Should I have split this? I was thinking about it, and then these 4 back here would be different because I don't want the part going. You see what I'm saying? Because then if I split this one in half, there will be a part right here. So here would have to be a block, a square, instead of a part, because then it'll be part in the same spot all the way down. Braiders, help your cousin. I am going to be using Burmese curly 20 inches feather crochet from ISEE Hair.
ISEE Hair's feather crochet is all over the place.
If you on YouTube, if you on TikTok, if you on Instagram, I'm sure you have seen it. This is where we are, y'all, just so y'all see. I have a box right here, a box right here on the opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4. One right behind that 4 count, and then 4 going across. 1, 2, 3, 4. You do not have to knot it. There are different ways to do it. There are ways. Get your 360 mirror, put your plaits in real quick, fast. Here we are. Honey, this plait so good and thick and ignorant, it don't even want to lay down. It don't even want to lay down. You're going to need a crochet hook or a beater, ISEE Hair bonnet, edge whisper, lashes, clips. Oh my gosh, they just ignorantly soft. Yeah. This is the Burmese curly, guys. I'm still shocked at how soft this is. I see hair. Okay. I see why everybody and their mama is over there. Girl, listen, y'all, I'm about to be done. I'm finna be through. I'm pretty much done. I probably don't even need to do the rest, y'all. I'm already done. This about to be so fast.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak, yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. So casually keep diving into concrete. is sweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. Maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I'm manic dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard.